Hello, hope you're doing well. We're on to week 3 of our summer math packet for our students. This week's focusing on division, and it's going to be broken into day 1 is going to be just straight division problems, which I would like you to use the multiplicative inverse property to check, and I'll show you how that works. Day 2 is going to be some word problems, and day 3 is that diamond page again. So remember the diamond page being where you solve 2 different ways and create a word problem and draw a visual model. Like, again, have some fun with that just based on your understanding. I think a great thing with the diamond page is to actually get a parent or get somebody with you and walk through each problem to explain to them your thought process. It's a great way to make sure you're clear with your understanding of division. But remember, with division this year, we did not focus on long division. Not saying you can't use it. It's great if you know your multiplication facts. We focused on partial quotients. So if I said to you that I had 340, let's have 342 M&Ms. I want to share my 342 M&Ms with 9 friends. So that's 342 divided by 9. And the reason I like to use M&Ms, apples, use an object is it just visually the context in your brain. Think, well, if I have 342 and I have 9 friends, well, I know I could give every one of my friends at least 30. Because I know that 9 threes is 27, and 30 is 3 tenths, so that'd be 270, because 9 thirties is 270. So now I say to myself, well, I've got 72 left. Well, if you know 9 times 8 is 72, then you're going to write it down. Let's say you say, well, you know what? I didn't, for whatever reason, that multiplication factor is not fluid with me yet, but I do know that I have, if I give away 5 more, so that's 45. I still have 27 left, and I know that 9 times 3 is 27. So there's no M&Ms left, so I was able to give each one of my friends 38 M&Ms. Now, how you can check yourself is, if you think about this, so you're saying 342 divided by 9 is 38. Or 38 times 9 should be 342. So let's use partial products. So 9 times 30. So we know 9 times 30 is 270. We know 9 times 8 is 72. 270 plus 72 gives us 342. So using the multiplicative inverse, we're able to check our work. That's what I highly encourage you to do. But partial quotients is a great strategy we use. And again, there's multiple ways you could do it. Maybe you didn't see 9 that you'd put into groups of 30 first. Maybe you put it into groups of 20 first. So 920 was 180. I mean, there's different ways to do it. But enjoy this week. If you have any questions, send an email and be safe.